Hi, Elaine here with WTI. Welcome to my new home with my new Kwikset door handle. This satin nickel color really takes our plain door and makes it look tons better. I prefer the ease of a simple lever instead of a twist doorknob, and the square shape of the base really looks classic. This handle was a standard size, so I was glad to use the holes from the handle before. The latch hardware was adjustable and so simple to just pop in and install. With a little tightening of the reversible Tustin lever, we were ready to pair our door with a Kwikset electronic deadbolt. Welcome to our new home. I love the Kwikset combination. The door handle in this nickel coating is beautiful. It was simple to put together. I love it. I highly recommend it, and that's just my point of view.